RCTV brings you Cebu's Best, a showcase of the best products and services from different establishments of various fields that Cebu has to offer. Chateau de Busai Inn and Restaurant at Lower Busai, Cebu City. For reservations and inquiries, call 231-2000 or 516-1319 or visit their website www.chateaudebusai.com. Ginza Japanese Restaurant, located at Ginza Complex, Old Banilad Road, Cebu City. For reservations, call 231-4612. Hey girl, your health is one issue you should not be ignorant of. Every day, 12 Filipino women die of cervical cancer. Every woman is at risk. Learn more by logging on to www.heygirlwecare.org. Subotel Bed & Bath brings you our first anniversary promo. Book and pay 30 days ahead for only 99 pesos per person per night. Hurry, limited beds only. Call 232-8888 now. San Remio Beach Club Sports and Leisure Resort. Call our Cebu office at 231-0382 or 422-4070 or email us at sanremiobeachclub09@yahoo.com. Maribago Blue Water Beach Resort at Buyong, Maribago, Mactan Island. Call 492-0100 or email us at maribago@bluewater.com.ph or visit our website at www.bluewater.com.ph. Get creative and amaze your loved one with surprise ideas from Red Tag Graphics Digital Printing. Print those love notes in a poster, magazine title, and a lot more. Call us at 414-7257 or 415-1988. Are you looking for the best employees to grow your business? Then post your job vacancies on Cebu's job website, mynemo.com. To learn more about mynemo.com, call 416-1434 or email info@mynemo.com. Kumon Banilad Center, located at Ginza Complex, Old Banilad Road, Cebu City. Enroll your kids now. Call 231-1791. Be on TV for only 5,000 pesos per month. For inquiries, call Grace at 416-2202 or 416-2260.